check in. Press check in and check out. Ooh, continue transaction. Enter driver's license. We can do this. Yo, what is going on, everybody? Your boy George here with Vegas Bus Drive, back at it once again with another video. Today we're here at the LINQ Hotel and Casino, located on the Strip. And yeah, we're gonna look at the restaurants, check out the room, the pool, all that stuff. So let's get to it. All right, so we made it here inside our King Deluxe room. Let's look around and see what we got here. So pretty standard here, a little desk area, kind of small, but I think it's efficient, pretty cool. Right above, we got the TV. I believe this is a 50-inch TV. Yeah, I would say about 50, 40, maybe something like that. Pretty good size, but it's such a big wall that it looks kind of tiny. Over on this side, the AC unit is blasting. Kind of old looking, but these work the best, honestly. Every time I travel with these, it could say like 80 degrees and it's freaking freezing. Like right now it's 72 and I'm about to turn it down. Big round mirror here. Look at that. Wallpaper, meh, kind of whatever. But the bed, looking mad comfortable. A little bit, you know, kind of plain, right? I thought they didn't include the covers, but yeah, I got them right here. I thought it was just like the bed sheets. 2 lamps on each side, closet area. Pretty nice and compact, but that's the way I like it, right? I don't really use this stuff, like the iron. Anyway, we got the little ice container here that I rarely use. A safe, and we got a mini fridge. Kind of tiny, but let's see. Oh yes, sir. Very cold. Not like the one at the Resorts World. Now let's go check out the bathroom. How's that? Look at this. Okay. Okay, so no bath, so we got a shower, but the shower is actually pretty nice. Nice tile here, the shower head, looking good. All right, so we back up a little bit. Got nice, reliable toilet right there. This area right here looks pretty nice, pretty modern faucet. Let's go. The lighting in this place looks sick. Honestly, it doesn't look that cool right now, but I'm sure like if you and your lady or your friends, whatever, were right here about to go out somewhere, take a photo right here, post it on Instagram, a ton of likes. So this cool little thing right here, this dispensers, lotion, hand wash, and the same thing goes for the conditioner and shampoo. This is my guess, hear me out. I believe people were stealing the little containers, you know, like the soap containers and the conditioner and stuff like that, just because it came with the room. Also, it could be environmentally friendly. I think I like this better. I feel like the little tiny ones that would run out whenever you would use them, so you would have to ask for more, and you had to like strategize, but this is like, you know, I think it looks nicer, and you can refill them, environmentally friendly, and it prevents you savages from stealing them. All right guys, so now a quick history about the LINQ. It used to be called the Imperial Palace. It ran like that for about 33 years, and sometime around 2013, they changed the name and they rebranded everything. This place used to be called the Quad, only for a little bit though, because soon after they changed the name to the LINQ, and it was around the same time that they added the High Roller, aka the big Ferris wheel that's outside. Now this is a Caesars property, so we're right next to the Flamingo, and we're right across the street from the Caesars Palace. They're all Caesars properties, so they kind of bunched them up all together. So now about the actual property. 20 floors here, 2,200 rooms, which is not too shabby, but it's actually considered one of the smaller ones here on the Strip. They have about 4 bar/lounges and 4 restaurants. So not too many options to choose from here as far as like food goes, but you're right next to the LINQ Promenade, which they have a ton of restaurants there, and you are in a pretty awesome location in the middle of the Strip. All right, so for those of you that don't know, the LINQ is considered one of the value properties here. This room was listed for $40 a night. When it was all said and done, I paid about $87, and I know what you're gonna say, oh, you know, it's like twice the price, but yes. If I go to LA right now or San Diego or somewhere in California, I'm gonna pay about $100 a night, if that, you know, because that's like, that would be a really good find. But $87 to be on the Strip with a really nice room, honestly. I'm actually kind of hungry. Let's see what time it is. It's 12:30. Guys, I haven't eaten today, so let's go find some food. guys, so the anatomy of this place is actually, you know, pretty simple. So from that side, there's District 1 and District 2, whatever. The district is something called the Towers. And I make my way over here through that corridor where they have like the daiquiri place, they have Dunkin' Donuts and like other smaller shops. Right outside, there's the Cashier, Hash House A Go-Go. If you keep going this way, you have off the strip, Chayo's, which is a Mexican restaurant, and then O'Shea's, which is like an Irish casino inside the Linq. It's pretty cool in there. Right over here to the left, you have the check-in area and registration, bell desk, and the whole casino floor on this side, plus this side. All right, my peeps, so right now I'm considering going to Guy Fieri's Vegas kitchen bar. If there is a long line, I may not, but if they have bar seating, I might do it. Let's go check it out, it's right here. Take a look at probably a burger, to be honest. So first impressions of this place, there was a pretty long line outside for people to, you know, get a table, but obviously I'm riding solo, so it's easy to just pull up and get something at the bar. I got a beer, first meal of the day, breakfast of champions. I think I'm ready to order, brother. It caught my eye, the bacon and cheeseburger. Yeah, is that...
That is our #1 sauce.
Yeah?
I got the same thing. I'm really excited.
For sure. Yeah, no, I just saw here that it was voted best burger in Vegas, or by the Las Vegas 7, so I'm pumped for that. Let's do it. Ranch, please.
I'm hoping it's really good. I'm excited for it.
I know.
I was like, I have to try it.
It's unique though. You don't really get like a mac and cheese.
It says like voted like best burger. Like
Yeah, it sold me. Yeah. They can have the worst ingredients, and if someone said that it's the best, like
I still would have tried it.
I'll take their word.
All right, so my homie Ashley right next to us got the same burger. Got the mac and cheese burger. She said
It was because it voted the best one, right?
yes, that's how we gotta go.
You gotta try it.
Dude, it's kind of a monster. Look at that. Look, this is my fist. I don't know if I'm gonna finish that. Good
I
luck
don't know
to you.
how I'm gonna be able to finish it. I'm so excited for this.
sure.
They just dropped off the burger here. It's the mac and cheese burger. This was voted best burger in Las Vegas by the Las Vegas 7s, which is a local magazine here. It also came with some fries on the side. There are 3 styles of fries here. We got the waffle, crinkled, and I don't know what the hell this is. Yeah, it's like just another form of like twisted potato or something like that. Oh gosh, look. Oh my god. Freaking delicious. I don't think I tasted the mac and cheese too much there. So let me give it another. Ooh, there we go. Look at this side. Mac and cheese is dripping. Look at this mess. That was a mouthful of mac and cheese right there. This burger was $24.99. It comes with the fries. It is a very steep price for a burger. Now, as far as the taste goes, it's very much so closer to a traditional burger. The mac and cheese, you can't really taste a whole lot of mac and cheese. Like the mac and cheese flavor is not overpowering. It just tastes like a cheesier burger than you might think. And the fries are bomb. Under further investigation, I just realized that the actual meat, the patty on this, is rather thin, honestly. Like the surface area is very wide, but it's a little, like it's thin. Like the height of the burger when you first saw it is very, like, it's caused by the lettuce. Like it's not really like a giant piece of burger. Like the patty is a little small. All right, now let's analyze this receipt. Okay, so the ballast point was $10. A little high for the draft. It was a regular pint glass. And $24.99 for that mac and cheese burger. It was excellent. It was like I said, I have my critiques about it. So all in together, it was $37.92. All right, so Guy Fieri's was pretty good, but my personal opinion, it's I don't know if it's worth $25 for that burger. It was massive. I mean, like, I need to go buy an energy drink right now because I'm falling asleep. But we just got back to the room. We went to go eat, and then after that I did a live stream shout out to everyone that was part of the live stream. We played the Buffalo machine, and on our second attempt, we won $66. We lost $6, and we won 66. So we cashed out $77. So pretty awesome. And I let everyone, whoever was in the live stream, I let you guys pick what kind of shot I was taking to celebrate. And cheers to you guys. Now I think the pool might still be open, so let's go check it out. I'm ready to go to the pool, but I have to put sunscreen on first. Let's go, sir. The lighting here is crazy. Alright, so we just made it inside here at the LINQ pool. Pretty cool vibe so far. Apparently it's free to get in. Doesn't matter if you're staying at the LINQ or not. You just come in, and as long as you have a valid ID, like I didn't even need my my card here for the room, so that's pretty dope. So that's a good thing for you guys to know. This one is called Influence Pool, and it's, like I said, it's free to get in, and I'm surprised because like the environment is pretty cool. It's not like packed right now, but like the whole main pool area, there's like a good enough people. It's a Sunday night, and it's popping, to be honest. This is definitely a cool spot, but definitely it's a younger person spot. I'm also surprised that they let me bring the camera in here. Usually at the bigger day clubs, they don't allow it. So that's kind of funny. All right, so we made it poolside here at the Influence Pool. Got my drink on me, got the pool. It's not that busy right now. I only see about 3 of the 4 of the 10 cabanas being utilized. It's a cool little environment. So the age group here is about 20-year-olds, to be honest. Anything like 20 and 30-year-olds, if you're trying to come to a relaxed pool, the LINQ pool is not going to be your place. But we're now seeing a trend that there's a lot of young people at the LINQ because it's an affordable place and it's in the middle of it all. But it also looks like it's targeting that kind of audience. So something cool to know is that here at the LINQ, there's suites that are like at the ground level, and you have your own door. But you have your own door, and this is you have like your own backyard and stuff like that. Whenever you want to go to the pool, you literally just go to the backyard and open the door, and you're here at a party. So that's pretty dope. I'm actually a little more sleepy and tired than I thought. I definitely need to get an energy drink somewhere. Do you guys have energy drinks? 7:48.
Yeah, you don't want it?
Yeah, I want it.
Okay.
This is a trippy spot. Cool little psychedelic, acid-looking place.
Get us on video!
Yeah, for sure.
Wait, what is it, at YouTube?
Yeah. I'm gonna go to Chayo's here at this tequila bar, and then I might go to the Matt Franco's show. Just the bar top, yeah, that's cool. Even though it's a tequila bar, I don't feel like going that hard right now, so I just gotta, just a beer. I got a mango cart. It's good, man. I don't know why people don't like this. Yeah, so I'd be sitting here. Okay, that's pretty close to the front, right? What if I said, all right, look, so I'm gonna keep it real with you. I'm about to spend $70 on a magic show ticket. We won $70 earlier, but we've been spending a little bit of money. I'm thinking I want to gamble, and then we'll see if we can make the money for that show ticket, or at least alleviate that charge. So let's walk around, let's see if we find a machine that we want to do, and then let's go gamble here at the LINQ. Look at this. Mighty Cash, big money. We have officially lost, but hey, you win some, you lose some. All right, it's 6:30. Let's go buy the show ticket. It's probably gonna have to drop off that camera, and then we'll go to the show. Let's do it. All right, so I just got back from the show. It was a pretty good show, to be honest. I love magic, and I actually ended up paying about $10 less, so like $61 after tax for that show, and it moved me up to like the middle row, which I would have ended up paying about like $73. So granted, I was by myself, so they were able to move me up a little bit. It's because they want everyone on the first few rows, they want everyone to fill that up. I've had a really good experience here at the Linq. I haven't spent too much money. I've actually won money. But overall, I would say that this place is an ideal spot for people that are on a budget and also that are young, because I noticed that a lot of people here are kind of somewhere around my age, 20 to 30 years old. Obviously the price was a little on the lower side, so you get to save some money. If you're around that group, or if you don't mind being around that group, this place is for you. This whole place has a pretty cool vibe, party vibe. The pool was free, rooms are clean. Honestly, like, I just don't have a whole lot of bad things to say, other than that buffet was closed and the comedy store over at the Linq was closed. It was Jimmy Kimmel's comedy store. All right, my peeps, so for those of you that are still watching, thank you so much. You guys really help out the algorithm. If you want to keep helping, please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and then comment down below if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or if you're just bored, because all of that stuff helps the algorithm push this to other people. All right, guys, till next time, peace out.